As an expert navigating the landscape of accounting software, I often encounter the question, can I use FreshBooks for free? It's a natural query for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs keeping a close eye on their bottom line. After all, who wouldn't appreciate a powerful tool without the upfront cost? Let's delve into the specifics of FreshBooks' pricing structure and explore whether a truly free version exists, while also highlighting what you can access without immediately opening your wallet. The short answer: not a permanently free plan. To put it plainly, FreshBooks does not offer a perpetually free plan in the same vein as some other software providers. You won't find a tier that allows you to use the core features indefinitely without any subscription fees. However, the story doesn't end there. FreshBooks understands that businesses want to try before they buy, and they offer a valuable opportunity to explore their platform without immediate commitment. The silver lining: the free trial. The key to experiencing FreshBooks without an initial payment lies in their free trial period. This trial typically lasts for 30 days, providing you with ample time to get acquainted with the software's capabilities and determine if it aligns with your business needs. During this trial, you usually gain access to a wide range of FreshBooks features, allowing you to create and send professional-looking invoices, customize invoices with your branding, add payment terms, and send them to clients electronically. This helps streamline your billing process and ensures a professional image. Track time and expenses. Accurately log your billable hours and record business expenses. This is crucial for accurate client billing and managing your profitability. Manage projects, organize tasks, collaborate with team members, depending on the trial limitations, and track project progress. This can be invaluable for staying on top of client work. Accept online payments. Explore the options for receiving payments from clients directly through the invoices, making it easier and faster to get paid. Generate basic reports. Get a glimpse into your financial health with introductory reports on invoices, expenses, and payments. This provides valuable insights into your business performance. Important considerations during the free trial. While the free trial offers a fantastic way to test the waters, it's crucial to be aware of a few potential limitations. Number of clients. The trial version might restrict the number of clients you can add to the system. This is a common limitation in trial software. Advanced features. Some advanced features, such as advanced reporting, integrations, or team member access, might be limited or unavailable during the trial. Support. Technical support during the trial period might be limited compared to paid subscribers. What happens after the free trial ends? Once your 30-day free trial concludes, you'll need to choose a paid subscription plan to continue using FreshBooks. They offer various plans tailored to different business sizes and needs, typically structured around the number of clients you actively bill. Why doesn't FreshBooks offer a truly free plan? Offering and maintaining a comprehensive accounting software platform like FreshBooks involves significant resources. These resources go towards software development and maintenance, continuously improving the software with new features, updates, and bug fixes, data security and hosting, ensuring the security and reliability of your financial data, customer support, providing assistance and guidance to users. Therefore, a completely free, fully featured version is generally not sustainable for software companies offering robust solutions. Alternatives to a free FreshBooks plan. If a perpetually free accounting solution is a strict requirement, you might need to explore alternative software options. Some providers offer basic free plans with limited features, which might be suitable for very small businesses or freelancers with simple needs. However, these free plans often lack the depth and functionality of paid solutions like FreshBooks.